Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create credit card expense tracker in Coda. So we are going to create one document, right? So first thing, new document, then start with blank document, right? Now here what we will do is we will start with expense name, but before that we will just create a table, right? And we will add table like this. Then we will start with expense name, then second being our description or merchant name, right? Third thing, I will add date, and notes we can keep at the end. Then fifth column, I want to make amount, right? Now what we can do is we will try to align all of this. Also we will set column type, so number, currency, then column type text, then expense is also text, right? Finally notes also text, and then date I want to set for date and time or just date. So let's say expense name is buying design service. So merchant is Rocket Design LLC, and 499 was the price. Then date was January, or let's say February 4. The notes I can keep it here. I can add notes. So say service purchased for yearly renewal, right? Can close this now, and we have notes here. I can edit notes whenever I want in the last column. Like this I can fill up the expenses made through credit card, right? And you can keep this tracker. You can add some specific conditional formatting to get the colors, whether the expense was too high or low based on the expense that you make with credit card, right? So I hope this helps you create credit card tracker within Coda.